This tutorial covers the main steps of setting up your Intellibed Sleep Genius adjustable base. To begin, place the bed base box in a desired location with the bottom of the box facing up. Remove all tape and binding straps, making sure not to puncture the box with any sharp objects. Remove all packing materials from inside the box and set them aside. Discard the plastic cover from the base, then remove the base from the box, keeping the bottom side facing up. Make sure to remove the packaged materials that are fastened to the base and set them aside, including the packaged electronics and mattress retainer bar. Next, you will install the legs. Note that the legs untwist into separate sections for custom leg height options. Thread the washer over the screw on the leg. Then screw the leg into the nutsert of the frame. Be careful not to over-tighten. Do this on all four corners of the base. Uncoil the input cord that is connected to the control box's power port and plug it into the power supply. Then uncoil the power cord and connect it to the power supply. Place the power supply on the ground and extend from the base. Ensure the power supply and all attached cords are directed towards the desired surge protector. Remove the plastic cover from the soundbar. Plug the soundbar's power cord into the power connector attached to the soundbar. Then plug the soundbar power cord and base's power cord into a power outlet. A surge protector is strongly recommended. Syncing two twin longs. Lay the two bases together with the bottom sides facing up. Unplug the splitter cable from the multifunction port of each control box and plug it into the female end of the sync cord. Then plug the male end of the sync cord into the multifunction port on the control box. You may connect the soundbar directly to its power cord, or you may use the provided extension cord to connect the two. Plug the second base's power cord and soundbar power cord into the surge protector. When the power is turned on, the lights under the bed will flash and Bluetooth mode will activate.
Bluetooth mode.
Here are the user instructions for Bluetooth setup. Using two people, carefully flip the base over onto its legs. Install the mattress retainer bar by inserting each end of the bar into the holes at the foot of the base. Plastic connecting straps are provided to secure the head and foot portions of the bases together. Follow these instructions to install the connecting straps. Haptic pulse is the synchronization of the soundbar with the sonic massage units. To initiate haptic pulse, press and hold the massage timer button. The lights will blink 3 times and remain on until you release the button. The sonic massage feature is now connected to the soundbar, enabling haptic pulse. Make sure your mobile device is connected via Bluetooth to the soundbar, ergo sounds. To turn haptic pulse off, press and hold the massage timer button. The lights will flash twice and go off. The sonic massage is no longer connected to the soundbar. Test to ensure that all remote functions are working properly before placing the mattress onto the base. The original remote that comes in the box is already paired to the bed base, and no further action is required. In the event that the remote becomes unpaired, follow these remote pairing instructions. Divided king setup. Start by pulling the foot section back slightly, allowing room to anchor the head section. Push and align the head and foot section together, and drop the rivets of the head frame into the grooves of the foot frame to lock it in place. Pull the foot section back over the head section, aligning it with the leg nutserts in the frame. Next, locate the connection plate and align it with the connecting holes on the side of the head frame. Insert 2 long bolts through the connecting holes and secure the ends with nuts and washers. Use the provided 13mm and 14mm wrenches to tighten the bolts. Attach the legs by screwing them into the leg nutserts on the frame. Do this on all four corners and on each side in the middle. If you'd prefer the base to rest flat on the ground without legs, screw the provided flat pads into the leg nutserts as shown. Before flipping the base over, plug the foot motor cable and foot massage cable into the corresponding ports labeled on the control box and massage amp. Carefully flip the base over using two people and follow the same remaining steps as the twin long setup process to test the functions of your base. Setup is complete. For questions and customer support, please call 801-716-2888.